Hi everyone, it's Mark here from Feetology Podiatry Centre. Do you ever feel that nagging ache, tightness or soreness in the arch or heel of your foot? Or perhaps you just want a simple way to relax and give your feet some well-deserved self-care. Today I'm going to show you a super simple yet highly effective technique you can do right at home using just one of these, a ball. This is called a foot arch massage and it's fantastic for releasing that tension and promoting relaxation. First, find a comfortable seat, like a chair, so you can relax. Now, take your ball, take a tennis ball, a golf ball, or even better, a massage ball like this one works really well. Remember, the size of the ball matters. A smaller ball like a golf ball or a massage ball can often get into those smaller, tighter muscles in your arch more effectively than a larger ball like a tennis ball. Place the ball directly under the arch of your foot. You want to use enough pressure so that you can find any sore spots under there. Now slowly roll your foot back and forth over the ball. Move from your heel all the way up to the ball of your foot. You can also roll it side to side a little. If you find a particularly tender spot, I call it a good spot, you can pause there for about 30 to 60 seconds, letting the pressure sink in. Just use enough pressure so that it feels like a good pain. We want the foot to feel relaxed afterwards, not stirred up. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes on each foot. You can do this once to twice a day or whenever you feel tired, tight, or you just want to relax. So what does this simple exercise do for you? It helps to release the tightness and tension in the muscles and tissues of your arch. It can improve the flexibility of your foot, and for many people it provides significant relief from common foot aches, especially heel pain like plantar fasciitis. Interestingly, by releasing tension in your foot's arch, this technique can also help alleviate tightness in your calf muscles, as they are all connected. Even if you don't have pain in your feet, this massage is also wonderfully relaxing. It can help reduce overall stress and contribute to your general well-being, even if your feet feel fine. This is a fantastic tool to have in your self-care routine. However, remember, if your foot pain continues, gets worse, or if you have any concerns about your feet, please don't ignore it. While the massage can offer great relief and relaxation, it's not a substitute for professional advice. We're always here to help you get to the root cause of your problems or simply keep your feet in top condition. Give this foot arch massage a try and let me know how your feet feel. If you're experiencing persistent foot pain, want to improve your foot health, or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can call us on 3820-6326 or book an appointment online at www.feetology.com.au. All the best in foot health.